Morning guys. Morning. Ano pa yan? Second day. Breakfast na kami. It's not in here. Maybe you get it already. It's not in here, oh.
Did I bring it?
I don't know.
I did actually, yes.
Breakfast lang muna. May bitsitsura ko. Breakfast and then pwedeng gawin na kami ng Gold Coast. I've got this later. So good morning, John.
Cushions, because somebody's head is going to be on that cushion.
Diba?
Put that
Diba? Yalet.
Maybe just, what do you feel like eating, John?
Dito na kami, guys. The Locals Glen Innes breakfast.
Let's see what the menu is. You can view the menu. You could have a breakfast burger, John.
You can just check the menu, John, no?
Yeah, you like all those things.
Come on.
Eggs Benny.
Later, guys.
Probably wouldn't mind.
Ayan ang aming breakfast. Water is nuggets.
You've done pretty good.
Lasing kami ni Daddy. Diba? Tara, let's eat.
Standing stones, directions today.
Ay, tukla ko. Hindi ko naubos yung akin. Ang dami.
Right. Maybe the lady needs to speak up a bit. I need to put mine. Wow, 1,078 meters.
Huh?
I think that's probably why we're feeling a bit unwell, is because of the altitude. Don't you think?
I don't know. Maybe.
Can we pair this?
Be on the right.
As well as standing ano guys, stone. Ito yung ano guys, yung stone. Hanggang si Daddy Ben. Standing stone. Yan. Yan. Ano daw? Para malaman mo kung anong itatanim. Depende sa araw o diba. Meron silang ano. Ayoko na maglakad-lakad. Pero maganda siguro yan. Ito si Daddy Ben eh. Yan ang stone. Standing stones nila. Tataas kaya. Taas. Lapit tayo guys. Kung gaano kataas. Ayan, taas pala. May parkrun dito. Naalala ko yung parkrun na yan. Tumakbo ako ng 5 kilometers. Hindi ko alam, buntis na pala ako kay Walter. Ay. Tagal na yun. Tignan mo. Diba, iba-ibang stone. Oh. Taas. Diba? Oh my goodness me. Oh, diba? Pasan lang namin dito. Meron pa sila doon. Ay, mga ano yun. Lipingan ata. Lamig. Malamig dito, guys. Sobra. Ano si Daddy Ben, oh. Ito si Daddy Ben. Lakad-lakad siya doon. Kung anong titignan niya. Yung baka pupunta siya doon sa ano. Yan. Picture. Diba? Ayan yung park run. Ganyan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang kilometers yung tatakbohin nila for today's video. Oh, saan si Walter eh? Ayun. Nasa? Ito pala sa Walter. Naiwan ka sa Walter eh. Isang ganda. Park. Stone. Standing stone. Diba? Tapos lang mag-breakfast. Kaya lakad-lakad lang muna. Oh. Diba? Aray. Saan si Daddy Ben? Nagpunta doon. Layo. Ano yun? Yun. Daddy Ben. Oh. Ayan kalayo. Oh. Ayoko na maglakad. Ganda dito. Oh. Tahimik. Tahimik. Si Walter nasa loob. Ayan. Tayo na nga si Daddy Ben. Then babalik na kami sa room. Tapos maliligo na sila. The drive na. Yan ulit.